Changing your password on Postmates is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Postmates app or website. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device or go to the Postmates website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner. On the website, look for your account name or icon to find the settings option. Step 3. Select Change Password. Within the account settings, look for the option labeled Change Password or Security. Click or tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password for verification. After that, input your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered the required information, click or tap on the Save or Update button to finalize the password change. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your Postmates password and enhance your account security. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider changing it regularly.